levels, maybe even testing 20k, but I'm thinking maybe 25k. Don't want to start calling it too low. My goal is that Bitcoin ranges in between these two white lines, and that's why they're right here in white, in between about 32 and 40k. And then we'll just go ahead and keep saying, hey, it's gonna keep doing what it's been doing until it doesn't do it anymore. Welcome to Everything Currency. This is a show where we talk about everything crypto and mo. I'm your host Jay, and today I want to talk to you guys a little bit about the Trias token. A couple people in the comments have been saying, hey, give us an update on Trias. You know, we're bag holding this coin, and I want to talk to you guys about that coin and look at the chart a little bit. Also want to talk to you guys about the Bitcoin chart a little bit and show you guys how everything that we needed to play out on these charts looks like it happened just to the T. So there's still one more chance that this could be a bull trap, but we'll see. I want to talk to you guys about that. So if you're excited about that, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're new here, and don't forget, you can join the Telegram group right now. There is incentives for providing value in the group. We're going to gamify the whole group and just make it fun, and let's get this money together. So looking at the price of Bitcoin right now, look at this thing. It actually got out of this line. So if you saw me drawing that chart going, we gonna go up and down like this and then go like that, hopefully that's exactly what happened, and it's looking lovely. Getting a little top heavy right here on the daily though, on this MACD, but things could still, you know, get higher. You see something like that happened over here, but things could still be pretty bullish. But I wouldn't be surprised to see if we started trying to retest some of these levels that we just blasted through, particularly the 13k, and then the 13 moving average, and you know, the 34 moving average, which is at 36 k right now. But by the time this moves a little bit, this might be around here at the 38k mark. So we might come back down and try to test this line right here if things get really bearish, or things could just be bullish, and that could have been the consolidation that we need. The reason why I say that is because when I look on the weekly chart, I see a little cross right here just still wants to happen. So I'm feeling really good about that, and overall, yeah, you know, DCAing in this time right here and hunting for altcoins has been a wonderful move. Looking at the total too, we can see this is why everybody keeps talking about Bitcoin dominance. I don't care. This thing is going up right along with Bitcoins. That means altcoins are moving right along with Bitcoin because they got beat up. They got beat all the way up. I mean, most altcoins went down, you know, 98%. That's, you know, majority of them have 5x gains going back up. And one that I want to talk about with that scenario is Trias, of course. But before we get into that real quick, let's talk a little bit about this whole Congress thing. For me, you know, if you follow Crypto Revolution, all he says is, look, we just got to jump through more hoops. Welcome to crypto hoops, hoop jumpers anonymous. And I like that, because that's pretty much what it is. All you have to do is do more paperwork, follow the rules, and you be all right. As long as they don't ban it, that's the thing. But you know, all those people talking smack about crypto are getting paid by the banks anyway. So this lady who's been hating on crypto got paid 7.2 million. So all the stuff that keeps happening like this is just waking more people up to why we need to decentralize more stuff that's going along in our lives. So Trias token, let's get into that real quick. So looking at the tokenomics real quick, there's only 10 million of these tokens. One of the reasons why I like it, and one of the reasons why it moves pretty quick, because you know, less amount of tokens, price moves faster when the market cap grows, you know. So going to the chart real quick, you can see that this thing, okay, it topped out at around 30 bucks. It's around $7 right now, and it could be having like some huge rounded bottom, and that's what I'm trying to see. That's what I'm waiting for. And I've been like trickling in here. When I seen Trias at $3, I was like, what? Yeah, so you know, that's interesting things going on in this chart, starting to pick back up. So let's talk about the coin, what's going on with the coin right now. Trias, first of all, Trias is trying to decentralize software as a service, and software as a service is very big industry. Looked it up for you guys real quick to let you know right here. Last year, software as a service made $272 billion, or $225 billion in 2020 and $272 billion in 2021 so far, and it's increasing rapidly. And what is software as a service? Is basically, when people like provide software for companies, right? So if you use any type of software, for example, I used to work at a small company. They had software that they needed to build inside their machine, and they actually needed to rent out somebody else who had this infrastructure built where they can just add what they needed on top of it, made it for their machine. It was good. That's software as a service. There's an average of 600 software as a service applications per company. So thinking about Trias, if you go to their AMA, I'll put a link for this in the description if you want to check it out. It's an AMA with the CEO of Trias, and he basically talks about how they have an expanding ecosystem, but so far they've already been working with about 100 companies so far. So if you say 600 applications per company, say these are small companies, we'll take that in half. We'll say 300 applications per company. The more companies that sign up, the better is what I'm trying to say with this whole spiel. The more companies that sign up, the better, is because that adds value to the Trias token, because it is all decentralized. They're going to need this token in order to participate in these applications. Now, why would they want to do this? Well, if they use one specific company and that company says goes out of business or decides to turn their servers off, they might be screwed. So that's one of the benefits of decentralization, is having bunch of different nodes in the network. One goes down, the other ones keep everything running. Things are tested, and that's what's going on right now. They're doing the test net. Mainnet is dropping in December, so that should be interesting to see what happens around Trias mainnet when there's a big need for these tokens, and there is only about 5 million in circulation, and they're going to be released over the next couple years out of a 10 million total in circulation. So hoping that this market cap can get up there. People want this token, they want to use this platform. There's a couple products that they have already. Some of the use cases that they have, let me see. Oh yeah, right here. Some of the products and use cases that they have already is Trias Force now has 3 products. Trias Force Auditing, so they got auditing service, Trias Force Security, and Trias Force ERP. ERP systems are actually huge. They got some use cases and some clients already in finance. You can use it in finance, smart cities, and commodities. So there's people right here. Trias provides blockchain-based exchange, clearance, and cross-border settlement systems for the largest marine produce exchange in Asia. So that is already looking pretty good right here. It says Trias provides blockchain based trustworthy ERP mesh DAS for more than 100 companies in the substation industry, with a total product value of $0.3 billion in supply chain finance. So they are working with companies who are doing business, and these are case studies. So if these case studies are doing good for these companies and they actually go live, that's what we'll see transpire into the token price. Like hopefully like this marine product exchange has to go and use the Trias mainnet, which is going to cause them to need the token, which creates demand for the token. And if the supply is low, then we go by supply and demand. And I closed the tab that I was supposed to open. But that's my spiel on Trias with some of the things that are going on over there. So a lot of people have been asking about it. This AMA describes a lot of things. They got 300 employees at this company already, and they're looking to expand out, and they're looking to go decentralized and invite other people to come into the mainnet and try to break their software before they actually go live. So keeping an eye on Trias. You know, I'm like I said, when I saw the price at around $3, I was like, what? So I started getting me some Trias. I hope that it can get back to the all-time high. This is not financial advice, of course, but I have strong conviction that this coin could get back to the all-time high, and it's already at $7. You know, right now, and it was just $3 a couple days ago. So let me know what you guys think about the video. I know, like I said, it was all over the place. When I'm excited about a coin, I just spewed it out and let you guys decipher it and go through what you want to go through. I'll provide the AMA information for you guys in the description. If you want to get in contact with me, you can go ahead and follow me on Twitter, Instagram, or of course join the Telegram group. That's the easiest place to ask me questions and stuff like that. Like and subscribe, turn on post notifications. Let me know your favorite coin in the comment box that I should be talking about. Till next time, peace.